Okay, today is Sunday, October the 8th, 2017. Now, I just bought this tractor brand new on the 23rd of September. It was delivered to my house. And today, the 8th of October, is the first I actually did any cutting of grass. I hadn't even used it prior to this. And I've got an issue already. So if we turn the key on, we're going to see we have 3.9 hours. So I was using it and it was working beautiful. Nice, real nice tractor. So I pulled up to the house. You can see the garage door here. I got that far, got off of the tractor, kept it running, and I had kept it in gear. It was at the time it was in fast. Idled it down. Got off the tractor. The blades weren't running. Got off the tractor. Got halfway into the garage, and I heard like the tractor wanted to stop. So I turned around and saw a puff of black smoke come out of the exhaust, and it shut off. So now we try to start it. Nothing. Not a thing. Not a thing. Nothing. It won't even crank. Now, I don't have the service manual at this point. I ordered them, they're in, and something else I ordered didn't come in, so I didn't pick them up this weekend. But I checked the fuses. I checked the master fuse here, the 50 amp, and I checked the fuses in here. This fuse is fine. I pulled it, tried it, nothing works. Put it back in, but the fuse is fine. Then I looked at every fuse. I pulled every fuse out of here. Every fuse is good. I even took the fuel pump circuit, pulled it out, which is this one right here, and turned the key, and obviously you don't hear it. Put it back in. So everything's working fuse-wise here in this panel and this. So that's what I checked. So next, and it might be hard to do here holding this camera, but I turned, well, it's hard with one hand, but I pulled on, and it does, yeah, there it is. You can see that the engine seems to be free. So it is turning. Okay, it is turning. So I thought, oh my God, did something seize up? Now here's the solenoid to start it, shut off. I'm going to turn it on. Nothing happens when I turn it all the way over. Shut it off. Shuts off for the fuel there. Then it comes back. So that appears to be acting fine for the fuel shut off valve, as far as being on and off. So I have no idea what it is. I'm going to have to call the dealer tomorrow, have them come out and see what it is, because for some reason I don't know if there's a master relay or something that went out. Again, I don't have the service manual to even look, and it is under warranty, so you know, but something's not sending a signal to the starter to even turn. So, and again, the engine shut off on its own, so I'm assuming it's an electrical issue that went haywire, be it a fuse or a connection or something. So I guess I'll continue this once I find out what actually is going on with it and let you guys know. There again, nothing. 3.9 hours. It's really, really something. I just can't believe it. But I guess shit happens, huh? So we'll let you guys know what I come up with. Okay, so we got the Kubota back. Let's see if it'll start. Okay, so if you take a look at that middle relay, and you'll see a little blue underneath there, that little clip with the red wire going to it. That's where the problem was. Apparently the wire pulled out of it in the connector from the factory. Right there. And it's over here on the right side of the vehicle. So that's what the issue was. Just something as simple as a wire pulling out of the spade terminal from the factory, obviously. So I scanned the document that the Kubota dealer gave me into a PDF, so it's on my screen of my computer. And so here you see the relay in question, the red wire going into it, and the little blue connectors where they put a new spade terminal on. So the original one from the factory, apparently the wire pulled out of that spade terminal, and the dealer said his impression was that it wasn't right from the factory, the crimp. And then down here we see the location, which is on this side, just underneath that bonnet is where the relay is. Then here's a closer up picture that he provided for me. And of course you can see the red wire, the blue connector, which is new, that they put on. And he's even given me a description here.